Welcome back to the Graphite Curve Studio. It's spring here in Texas, and you know what that means. Yard work. So the story of this drawing begins with trying to draw the morning of the day where yard work had to begin at sunrise. If you've been a viewer for a while now, you would have heard me complain a lot about how much yard work had to be done, and that this interfered with my drawing schedule. The last winter and this spring had a lot of rain, and the trees grew, and so did the grass. And now I'm working as fast as I can before the sun rises. I should have taken my time, at least got half of it done. But in the end, it's good that I did. We did so much digging out of weeds that my hands were sore for days. It's only now, a week later, that most of the pain is gone and I can even write this script. I have had a week to think about whether or not this one was going to be released, and then I decided that it should. One, because I couldn't draw after working outside, and this is all I got. But more importantly, to showcase that your mentality is so important to how you express yourself. If I wasn't rushing, I would have done so much better. But I'm going to put this drawing up because I believe in showcasing your wins and your losses, and hope it encourages others someday. Besides working in the yard, I've also been distracted by the desire to make 3D models. I watch so many tutorials and time lapses and think that maybe this is the next step for the channel. It's something I've decided to do. I just need more practice first. I'm aiming for the second half of 2025. I've also been learning game development to use the 3D models that I've made. I have so many ideas for games, I keep writing them down on paper, and now I have a whole folder. These are the things that are distracting me at the moment, but at least with 3D modeling and game development, they're things that I've always wanted to do, and now they're easier than ever to get started. This channel has always been to showcase my drawings in a way that Instagram couldn't. So it'll be interesting to see whether or not the 3D models will go here or on a separate channel. Until then, thanks for hearing me out. Take care, and God bless.